Hi, in this video, I will present the BI dashboard part of our data warehouse and big data project. The focus is not on the theoretical pipeline in detail, but on how we use the processed data to create a business insight. Our dashboard will help a streaming business understand what content perform well, which platform have strong engagement, and what area should be focused on next. The main question for our BI analysis is what type of streaming content perform well on which platform and what should the business focus on next. So we choose this angle because looking only at the top title is not enough. We can show which specific content is popular, but it doesn't explain the whole content strategy. So we analyze broader patterns such as platform performance, general demand, content type, and market behavior. The final output is two dashboards, one for overall performance and another one is for content opportunity. So before we go to the dashboard, I will briefly explain on how the data pipeline support the BI view. So the source data is the streaming catalog. It is cleared and transformed using RuSpark, stored as a Parquet file in S3, and queried through the Athena and visualized in the QuickSight. So for the analysis part, the main measure will be include a watch hour, rating, budget, and reward. So the main dimension will be include a platform, genre, content type, country or language, and release year. So this structure will allow us to compare content performance from different business angles. So to the dashboard pane, we design two dashboards. The first one is the content performance overview. So it will answer what perform well overall. It look at the platform engagement, general demand, content type, and release year pattern. And the second one is the content opportunity analysis. So it will answer what should the business focus on next. So it will look deeper into the general opportunity, platform and general fit, movie and TV show performance. So to our first dashboard, content performance overview. So its purpose is to understand the overall performance of the streaming content library. At the top, we show summary and metrics such as total content, total hour watch, average IMDb rating, and average Rotten Tomatoes score. And then the platform engagement chart, we could get that Netflix and Amazon Prime Video generate the highest total engagement. And for the general demand, drama and comedy are the strongest, driven by the audience engagement. The movie versus TV show chart will compare content format based on total engagement, not only by count. And lastly, the release year chart will show that the content library is more concentrated in recent release. And the overall of the dashboard one will show what is already performing well across the platform, genre, content type, and release years. Next to the second dashboard, which is content opportunity analysis. So this dashboard will focus on what the business should focus on next. So the first chart, supply versus demand chart, will compare the content supply with average engagement. So if a genre has high engagement but limited supply, it can be treated as an opportunity area. And the heat map will show the platform and genre fit, meaning content strategy should not be the same for every platform. And then the movie versus TV show chart will show that some genre work better as movie, while other may perform better as like TV shows. And the last one, our table, content segment table, will show the strongest platform, genre, and type combination by engagement. So from dashboard 2, we can turn to the analysis into the business decisions. So if a genre has a high average engagement but limited content supply, the business can consider promoting or licensing more content in that genre. But if a genre performs better on specific platform, the business should match the genre to the platform where it performs best. Also, the business should choose the content format carefully because the genre alone is not enough. And this dashboard will help move from analysis to action. So from insight to action, this slide will summarize how the insight become business action. So if a genre has a high demand but limited supply, it may be a good candidate for promoting. But if genre work better on one platform, that platform can highlight it more in recommendations or campaigns. So from the dashboard 1, the business can identify strong platform and genre, and the dashboard 2 can find undersupplied but promising content areas. So the key idea is to use platform-specific strategy instead of one content plan for all the platform. To the conclusion, the BI dashboard will help turn the streaming dataset into the practical content strategies. So dashboard 1 will answer what performed well overall, and dashboard 2 answer what the business should focus on next. Together, this will support the decision on platform strategy, genre focus, content format, and future content planning. The main business value is that the BI layer does not only report data, but it also help business use data for better content decision. Thank you.